Tell me what is Snowflake? It's a cloud-based
data warehouse.
data warehouse. What's the purpose of this data warehouse? Tell me what the purpose of this data warehouse.
It's the migrate from the source to ETL target database.
Okay, it's mainly for data storage purpose, we can say. So
Okay.
data storage, data processing, and data analytics. Okay, so it's a cloud-based, fully managed data warehouse. Okay, so it's a fully managed mainly for data storage, data processing, and data analytics. Okay, so storage purpose, processing, and analytics purpose. Okay, so it's a cloud-based data warehouse mainly for storage, processing, analytics. Mainly for what? Huge volumes of data. Huge volumes in the sense like how many huge volumes? Nothing but terabytes to petabytes of volumes it can handle easily. So it's a huge volumes of data. And say, tell me mainly Snowflake is mainly for data migration project. What is migration project? Tell me anybody, anything, what exactly data migration project in a sense, tell me. Tell me anyone.
Data migration project means ELT or ELT.
Okay, what exactly it is doing? So moving
Movie.
our existing database objects into Snowflake. Okay, see, simple thing. Understand these are basic things, but should be strong. Okay, see. So Snowflake is a cloud-based data warehouse mainly for analytical solution. It is mainly for analysis purpose. Okay, it can handle huge volumes of data. Mainly Snowflake is mainly for data migration project. So moving our existing database objects into Snowflake. What exactly we are trying to migrate? The tables, the views, the functions, and the procedure. Okay, so we'll see the same thing in detail in the coming session. So as of now, understand what is the default thing. So see, there'll be multiple phases will be there in a project. The first phase, we'll try to migrate our tables. In the second phase, what exactly we'll try to migrate? The views. Okay, in the third phase, what exactly we'll try to migrate? The functions and procedures. Okay, see. So in a project, data migration project, our existing data will be there in different sources. It can be Oracle, it can be SQL Server, it can be Netezza, it can be Greenplum or anything, okay, or Postgre database, okay, or SAP HANA. Multiple database sources will be there. Our existing data, we need to see, assume like my data is sitting in Oracle database. So client is asking to migrate existing tables, existing views, existing functions into Snowflake. This is called as migration project. So the tables, the views, the functions and the procedure we are trying to migrate. So this is the functionality, got the point. That's the same thing. Now tell me now why the companies wants to migrate their data to Snowflake. Tell me just high level, we'll see. Why the companies wants to migrate their data. What's the purpose of migration? Tell me. Why? So because of cost cutting and because of huge volumes of data, because of security reasons, and okay, and it's a SaaS model. Okay, and what happened? Tell me, ease of maintenance. Because of all these reasons, so company wants to migrate their data from on-premises to okay, we can easily scale up and scalable. Okay, so see, because of all these reasons, company wants to move their historical data to Snowflake mainly for analysis purpose. Tell me, this is mainly for OLTP building or OLAP mainly for OLAP, online analytical processing mainly for analytical solution. We can able to perform OLT, but this is mainly for OLAP, online analytical processing. Clear, sir? This is see one more time. It's a cloud-based data warehouse mainly for storing, processing, analytics, huge volumes of data, and is mainly for migration project. We'll work for tables, views, functions, and procedures. Okay, see, we are migrating our existing data to Snowflake. So this is so far good. Now, what happened next thing is that what Snowflake is a SaaS model. What is SaaS model? Tell me. What is SaaS model? Abbreviations are important. Tell me.
Software as a service.
It's a software as a service. What is software as a service in the sense like tell me? Software as a service in the sense like tell
No need
me.
of installations,
So
anything.
no installation of software, hardware or anything. See, if you see Oracle database, I am trying to install Oracle database and I am trying to install SQL developer. But we'll see the Snowflake is a SaaS model. No need to install any software or any hardware. Just to create account and we can able to work on it. Okay, this is the same thing. Now next thing is that what? Now I want to communicate with the human beings. Tell me how can I communicate with the help of a language? So Telugu, Hindi, English. Same thing in a similar fashion. I want to communicate with a Snowflake or a database or data warehouse. Tell me how can I communicate with a Snowflake or any other data warehouse or any other databases with the help of what concept? What is the concept will come into picture?
Writing
SQL.
SQL.
SQL. Okay, see, if I want to communicate with other person, I can use a language as the medium. Same thing now, I want to communicate with whom? Communicate with the Snowflake or any database or any data warehouse. Now we should go for what concept? Go for SQL. So with the coming 2-3 weeks, we'll discuss on SQL concept. Then what is SQL? Tell me, what is SQL? Hmm. What is SQL? Tell me.
Structured query
Structured
language.
query language.
It's a structured query language. Okay, so what's the purpose of the structured query language generally? Tell me. So it
It acts
is
as a bridge.
okay. It is used to communicate with the database or a data warehouse or a Snowflake. If I want to communicate with the Snowflake or any, that will go for what? We'll go for with this SQL concept. Simple thing, SQL will act as a bridge between whom? Between user and Snowflake. Simple thing. Now I want to communicate with this Snowflake guy. How can I communicate with the help of him? With the help of a language called as SQL. It acts as a bridge between user and Snowflake. I want to communicate with the Snowflake guy. How can I communicate with the help of what concept? SQL concept will come in. It's a structured query language. Again, see simple thing. If I know English, nothing but what same alphabets will be there. Same thing, SQL, nothing but what? What is SQL? Nothing but the SQL commands. Okay, are SQL statements are basic building blocks of SQL. Okay, are SQL languages. Okay, these all the things will be related to the SQL. See, SQL commands, statements, languages, basic building blocks of SQL, all related to these things. So DDL, DML, TCL, DRL, DCL. This is two more, one more time. So these are very, very important. So without this, we can't able to. That's what it's called as basic building blocks of SQL. So these are the main thing. So without this, I can't able to do anything. So DDL, DML, TCL, DRL, and DCL. So see, so without see one more time, these are called as SQL commands, SQL languages, or SQL statements are basic building blocks of SQL. It is DDL, DML, TCL, DRL, DCL. So see, if you know almost like 30% of SQL will be completed based on this thing. So without this, I can't able. That's why it's called as basic building blocks of SQL. Tell me what is DDL? What is DDL abbreviation?
Data definition
Data
language.
definition language.
Definition language. So these are so important. You need to by heart. There is no other option. We need to by heart the syntaxes. Okay, see, data definition language. What is DML? It's a data
Data manipulation language.
manipulation language. What is TCL? It's a transaction
Transaction
control language. Okay. What is DRL or it's called as DQL? What is abbreviation for DRL or DQL?
data
Durability.
language or data
Retrieval.
query language.
Retrieval or queries, query language. What is DCL? It's a data control language. Okay, so one more time. So definition, manipulation, transaction, retrieval, and control. So these are the things. We'll see the same thing in detail with the practical implementation. Okay, see step by step you need to go. So don't be in a hurry, but go slowly. So step by step. What is DDL? It's a data definition language. Tell me in Snowflake what the commands we're having in DDL perspective. Anyone, any idea?
Create table.
Okay, see create statement, alter statement. Only 2-3 things will be there in the Snowflake perspective. So truncate is a DML in Snowflake. So create, alter, and drop. So create statement, alter statement, and drop statement. So create, alter, and drop. Okay, so create, alter, and drop. Okay, these are basics, but what happened? So see, don't think like it's a basic, but what happened? These are important things. So create command, alter command, drop command. We'll see the same thing in detail. What is create is doing nothing but tell me what is exactly create statement will do. Anyone, any idea?
Create table, table name.
Okay, only table. Huh? So it is used to
Data.
create a new
Data.
database objects. It can be anything. Okay, it is creating a new database object. Like we can create a new database. So new schema, then new
View,
tables. So
views,
new views. Okay, so UDFs.
index.
So procedures. Index won't be there here in Snowflake. So procedures. It can be anything. Okay. So sequences. We can able to create any database object sequences. Okay, so this is the functionality. Okay. Create a new database, new schema, new tables, views, UDF functions, and procedures. Okay, so it is used to create a new database object we need to create. So for now, we need to go for table. Okay, see, as of now, go for table concepts. Okay, tell me how to create a table syntax. So right now, so we'll see that this one remaining thing we'll see in Snowflake perspective. Now go for creating a table. Okay, Sim. Right now we're discussing how to
Praveen sir,
create a table.
UDFS. What is UDFS?
It's a user-defined function. It's the same thing in Snow. It's a functions, user-defined function.
Okay.
Now, how to create a table? So create, so table name syntaxes are important for every objects. Okay, without syntax, right now every interviews are asking, try to share the screen and write the syntax of the all the components. Okay, see, create table name, bracket open, bracket close, semicolon. Now tell me what the things will be there. Column name and data type. Okay, so we'll see the same thing in detail. Tomorrow, one more time, we'll see column name, data type, column name, and data type. We'll discuss. Okay, see data type. Okay, so same thing. Okay, now create table name, column name, data type. Column name to multiple columns. We need to put comma and we can able to give this functionality. You can give multiple columns and multiple things with. Okay. Now here you need to understand what is data type. Tell me what is data type. Anyone, any idea? Important.
Integer, float,
What exactly it means? Tell me.
double.
Tell me what it means.
Integers,
If
numbers.
if any numbers is integer or any string is any name or characters is the string.
Okay, see now what happens. So simple thing. So what exactly data type is nothing but what? Which type of data we are storing in the particular column. 1 second, hold on, particular. See, now what exactly I'm trying to convey is that what? Here column name, which type of data? Here column name, which type of data I'm told. Simple thing, simple use case. Supposing I'll go for what? I want to store water. Where I want to store water in the bottles. Tell me where I want to store milk in the can or bottle. Same thing here also what happened. The number data type where I want to store. The alphabets where I want to store. See, a simple thing what happens, supposing I want to store employee ID, salary, okay, phone. Now where I should store this, all this number thing, go for number data type. Same thing, name, city, email, first name, last name. Where these are alphabets and alphanumeric. Where I want to store this thing in which data type? In the
Varchar.
varchar2. We'll see the same thing. So varchar2 string text we can able to make it working. Same thing now suppose what happen I want to go for date of birth. date of joining, date of registration. We should go for what? Go for date, data type. Date time is there, timestamp. We'll see the same thing in detail. Okay. Suppose see, I want to store true or false. Where exactly we should store in which data type? Anybody, any idea? True or false? True or false?
Boolean. Boolean.
We should go for Boolean data type. Okay, see Boolean data type. So Boolean data type. Okay, so getting the point of this the functionality. So see true. Same thing what happened in Snowflake. I can store semi-structured data. I will see the same thing. Okay, in the coming session. So it can be so JSON, XML. Okay, Avro. We can store in variant. If you're not able to understand, simply number we can store where in the number data type. So string go for varchar. So text to go, okay, so go for date data type. Okay, see number, varchar and date data type. We can able to make it. So number, so varchar date. Simple thing. Let me create one simple table. So go with simple concept. Create table employee details underscore T bracket open bracket close. Now what is underscore T? Nothing but it's a what? What is underscore T? It's a table representation. If I go for underscore V, it's a view representation. So see, coding standards, create table, table name. Now what exactly I am putting employee ID. Employed is what data type? Anybody? Employed is what data type? It's a number
Integer.
data type, integer or number. Same thing. Employee name is what data type? Say alphabets. We should go for varchar of 100. What is 100 here? Tell me. What is 100?
Number of characters.
Number
100
of
is
characters,
space.
length, column length. Okay, up to 100 characters we can able to accommodate. That column name, data type, and the data size, table name, column names, data type, and the data size. Same thing now what happened mail. Mail ID is a what? It's a combination of alphabets, numbers, special characters. Now we should go for what concept? Go for
Varchar.
varchar of 100. Okay, same thing. Now see next one, date of birth. It's a what data type? It's a date data type. So see, so same thing. Salary is what data type? It's a number data type. Okay, we can have multiple things. So go understand the functionality. Create table, table name, column names, data types, and data size. So table, so same thing. So this is the functionality. Okay, see the same thing. Tell me, is it good looking like this? So see, always make sure like you're following the coding alignment. So we should follow this is nothing but coding alignment. This is called as so always write like this. Okay, always write like this and copy the same thing. Control C, open one more session. Tell me it's looking always write in Notepad++ tool, select the language, yes, and SQL. So whenever writing now, make use of Notepad because these keywords will get highlighted. If I open one more bracket, see this bracket is starting and this is an extra bracket. Okay, so always write in Notepad++, languages and SQL, bracket open, bracket close, make use of semicolon and follow the coding alignment. Now tell me now I create this statement. Tell me table will get automatically created. Tell me. Tell me. No. Tell me what happened. Tell me it created automatically. So see table is not create. So this is only for writing purpose. This scripting tool only for writing purpose. Now tell me now what I should have if I want to create Snowflake. If I want to create any database object, I should have one Snowflake account are required. So we need to create one Snowflake account. Tell me for Snowflake, do we need to install any software or any hardware? No, because what? Snowflake is a SaaS model. No need to install any software or any hardware. Just to create account and work on it. Okay, let me open one more session. So search for, so see, see, search for 120 days. Okay, 120 days, see, Snowflake, 120 days free trial. Click on it, go to videos. Okay, click this first one. Okay, we'll get the link will be available. Okay, see, let me scroll down. So generally we'll get 30 days, but this will give 120 days, okay, for practicing purpose. It's a free thing, okay. Sign up, click on this thing, we'll get how many days? See 120 days, okay, simple thing. Let me open SQL thing, okay. Search for Snowflake login. So it will give generally what? Click on this thing, it will give how many days? Okay, it's already there. It's giving 30 days, but what happened instead of 30 days? Go for what? Go for 120 days. Okay, search for what? One. See how many it's giving. So it's a free of 120 days and 400 credits will be given. Okay, so for practice purpose, this is enough. Okay, because within 30 days we can't able to learn. You should have at least 2 months to learn all these things. Okay, see. So go for 120 days. So give the first name, Praveen Kumar. Okay, which mail ID should give? Tell me which mail ID you need to give. Tell me. Which mail? Our personal mail. Okay, see personal mail. So create one personal mail and control it. Okay, we can give any dummy thing, ABC. Tell me after completion of this course, we should apply for what role? What role?
Snowflake
Anyone?
developer
We can go for Snowflake developer or data engineer.
data
We can
engineer.
click anything for understanding purpose. Go for developer or engineer. Continue. Okay, see. So go for enterprise. So Snowflake supports multi-cloud. Click on any cloud. Okay, I go for Azure or anything. Okay, anything you can click. No worries. So this is setup this thing. Okay, click on get started. So skip. So just we are trying to do setup. Okay. So setup. Okay, skip. Now what we'll get? We'll get a confirmation to our mail ID. Okay, see? So clear getting it. So see, activate your Snowflake account. So scroll down, click to activate. That's it. Getting the point. So see, tell me. So we need to give the username. So probably. So okay, so this. Okay, scroll down, get started. Now tell me real time who will create this usernames, passwords, which guy will create? Developer, the username password, which guy in real time?
Admin.
Admin, which admin? Snowflake admin. So see, point you remember is that what? Okay, see, so see in a project, how many people will be there? Approximately 8 to 10. So what are your team members? High level, tell me. The Snowflake developer team, like 3 to 4 guys. Then Snowflake admin team, Snowflake testing guys, Snowflake architect guy. Okay, then we are having what? Testing admin. Then what we are having? So see, then what happened? The team lead, project manager, BA people depends on this functionality. Tell me now who will create this user ID's password? Which guy? The Snowflake admin guy will try to create this user ID's password. Okay. Now where I should click? Tell me first step is to click on create SQL works. You see, in the first week, should be comfortable in navigating all these things. So this is important. How to navigate is important. We can give our name. So day one, we are working SQL statement. So you need to make a habit, like because I will open multiple worksheets. That's why I go for this worksheet. Now what happened? Copy the same thing and put here. Tell me, Snowflake is a SaaS model. We are not installing anything, just to create account and we can able to make it working. Now see create, tell me it work. What is saying? So cannot perform create table. This is one session. So this is other session. Now what is saying? What is saying? Tell me. This session doesn't have a current database or use a qualified name. Now what exactly it means? Tell me. So see, if I want to create anything, I need to require one database and
Database and schema.
schema. So remember one thing, what we discussed so far, mute yourself, what we discussed so far. Okay, see, okay, what we discussed, create statement is nothing but what? Now what's the create statement?
Create database.
Create a new database object in the database. So first you should have one database. Okay, see database and schema. So before that you need to have understanding of in a project there will be multiple databases instances, multiple database environments. Okay, means or instances will be available. So multiple in the sense like what will have development database. So testing database. So this thing you need to work little bit thing on this. UAT database, SIT database, sandbox will be there. pre-prod will be there. Okay, see multiple. Okay, depends on the companies, and prod will be there. Okay, see prod. Okay, see. So what is dev? Nothing but it's a development environment. So testing. What is UAT abbreviation? It's a user
User acceptance.
acceptance testing is there. Okay. So what is SIT? It's a system integration. Tell me system integration. Tell me what is SIT? What is SIT
To
abbreviation?
system integration tools.
System integration testing will be there. What is sandbox? Also one of the testing instance. What is pre-prod? It's a pre-production instance. What is prod? It's a production instance. Production. Tell me out of this all instance, where exactly will work? In which instance? In the
Development.
development instance. Ultimately, client will see which instance data, which instance data. Which instance? Prod instance, production. See, remember, we need to work in the development instance. Okay, the remaining are testing instance. Ultimately, all the code should become to production database. So as a developer, we'll work mostly in this development instance. So create one database. So create database name. Okay. Now what happens? So create, you can give any name. So database, suppose what happen, I'll go for EDW dev DB. What is EDW dev DB? It's a enterprise data warehouse development database. Okay, see, copy the same thing, Control C. Now where I should execute? Here. Okay, see, if I want to create any table, compulsory what? I need to require one database. Tell me now we can able to select, we can click, or what is shortcut? Control plus enter. So place cursor anywhere and use control enter. Now see, database will be created. Okay, so same thing. Now what happened? We need to create one database, create one schema. So create schema for logical representation. RASC. So see now database created, schema created. Tell me by using query, I want to find what is my database name and what is my schema name, that is select. Okay, these commands are important. So work a little bit. Okay, current database. How to get my schema? Current schema. So commands are important. Okay, see. So what is my database? We are in EDW dev schema and RAS schema. So current database, current schema. In this database, in this schema, I want to find a list of tables. Tell me how to find list of tables. Any idea? We should go for show tables. Okay, see. So after completion of the class, now make a notes of all these commands. Okay, see, show tables will list of tables in this database in this schema. Current database, current schema. Show tables will you list of tables in my database. As of now, no tables are there. Now tell me now how to create the table. How can I create the table? Tell me. By using which command?
Create.
Create statement or create command. What is shortcut? Tell me. Shortcut is what? Control enter is the shortcut. Tell me second time I exit the same statement. It says what? So only in database, one name should be given for only one object. Tell me how it's a list of tables? Show tables, show tables. Now see now how to fetch the data. Now I want to retrieve the data. How can I retrieve data by which command? By which command?
Select.
Select.
Select a statement. So see right now we're discussing DDL, that is data definition language. Which command we're working? Create statement to create a new database object. Okay. Now what happened now? I want to fetch the data. How to fetch? By using DRL, that is select statement. What is DRL? It's a data retrieval language. Okay. So now what is select statement? If I want to retrieve, we should go for select statement. Select star from, we'll see tomorrow one more time. Star from table name, table name. What's my table name? Employee details. Select star from, okay, copy the name, control C and control V, semicolon. Okay. Control enter. Now tell me, as of now, no data will be available. Now see, table has been created. Okay, so this is fine. Now same thing, we'll see one use case, simple use case, Covin. Okay, you need to say the functionality. Okay, let me give the number. So concept is simple, just you should put a little bit effort, that's it. Okay, see. So we're discussing how we can able to create the tables, multiple tables. Okay. Now what happened? Let me
go through
still
project, something on KPI, like wrap things up. We could do that. The other main thing I wanted to cover was to like just go through the visit detail section. Unless you guys already went through it last call, I don't remember. I don't think so. Okay.
sorry. Okay, now tell me now, see what happened. Now tell me now this now I want to create this table. Tell me first what I should create. Create one Snowflake account. Let me create Snowflake account is already there. Okay. Now what happened? Let me open one more session. Okay. Now tell me if I want to create table, first you should have one database. So create database. So Covin DevDB. It's a Covin development database. How to create a schema? Tell me. So create schema Covin dev. Yes. So this is my database. This is my schema. Tell me by using query, I want to find what is my database name and what's my schema name. Tell me. Select. Tell me anybody. Current database. Okay, these commands are important. Use regularly in day-to-day activities. How to get a schema? Current schema. Okay, what is my database? Covin DevDB, Covin Dev schema. So this is the same thing. Now in this database, in this schema, I want to find list of tables. How to find list of tables? Show
tables.
Show tables. As of now, tables are there. Now, how to create the table? By using which command? By using create statement. Okay, see create. Tell me syntax. So create table, table name. Tell me for this use case, what name I can go for? What's the use case for this name? It's a registration. We should go for what? Covin vaccine registration underscore T. Underscore T is not but it's a table representation. Bracket open, bracket close. Now tell me name is what a type? It's a varchar. Okay, so I'm putting what is 30? It's a column length or data size. Up to 30 we can able to accommodate. Okay. Now what is gender? Male or female? It's also varchar of 10 I'm mentioning. Okay. Next thing is that what is year of birth? Tell me. I'm mentioning 2000. This is what is the thing year of birth? It's what date type? Not a date. It's about not date. So date of birth. Anybody? Data. It's a
Numbers.
let's just see what happened 2019 90. It's a what? It's a number.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. If I go for this thing, tell me this is what date of birth is what? Tell me, suppose if I select February, now this is date, month, year. This is only number. Okay, see, date of birth is number. I'm putting 4. Okay, same. Okay, so date. Okay, so this is date of year of birth. Okay, so date of birth. So date of birth is what data type? It's a data type. Okay, so then what is the same thing? Next one is that photo ID proof. I'm selecting this one is nothing but what same? Varchar photo ID. It's a varchar. Okay, same thing. Next one is that photo. Tell me this is what thing? It's a what data type? What it's a number. Suppose the instead of other, I select passport. Passport will be combination of alphanumeric. Okay, so should go for varchar. So we are developers. We should decide which it's a number or varchar. Okay, see. I'm going for varchar of bigger value. This is the same thing. Tell me, is it good looking up? What I said, always follow coding alignment. Okay, so this is the coding alignment we need to follow. So this is the same thing. If you go for MNCs, what happens? They check all these things. Okay, they'll check the code reviews. Okay, so bracket open, bracket close. Now, where exactly I should execute this statement? Where exactly? In the where I should execute this statement? Tell me, anyone?
Notepad++.
No. Writing is fine. Executing in the
Snowflake.
Snowflake
Snowflake.
database. Snowflake database. Now see, what is shortcut? Control Enter. Tell me it work? Anyone? It will work? It work or not? Anyone? Any guess? Tell me it work? No, it won't work. See what happened? See, spaces are there. Tell me spaces will be accepted directly. So see, we should not use the spaces. Tell me it's good looking. We should go for underscore. Okay, this is the coding standard. We can use, but what happened? It is not good. Like, okay, go for underscore. Okay, see spaces, we should use double quote. See, now table has been created. How to see list of tables? Show tables. How to see the data? Tell me by using which command? By using select statement. Step by step. Now see, select star from table name. So this is the way we can able to create the table. Same thing. Let me open one more use case, work on it. Okay, like this, you need to open multiple things, learn the syntaxes like the same. So your task is to day one is to create multiple things. Okay. Suppose what happened, I want to open one more account. Okay, so new connection. Okay. Tell me now what happened. Now I want to store this data. First, what we should have, tell me, we should have one database. Okay, see database, because this is different. Now we need to create one database. Tell me, we need to create database Hathway DB. Okay, same thing. How to create a schema? So create schema. Okay. SC. We can give anything SC scheme. Okay. Tell me by using query, I want to find what is my database name and schema name. That is select current database. Okay. Same thing. Current schema. Okay. Schema. Okay. See schema. Control Enter. Now tell me now what happened. Hathway DB SC schema. See multiple databases will be there. Or else we can go for show databases, show schema. Tell me now we're in which database? Which database we are in?
Pathway DB.
Tell me which one?
Pathway DB.
How can you say?
Yes, sir.
Is
Which one?
current Y.
So see, is current is Y. We are in which database? Hathway DB. Okay. Same thing. How to see list of schemas? Show schemas. Okay. So which schema we are in? Tell me which schema? Is current is SC schema. Okay. Same thing. How to list of tables? Show tables. Okay. Show tables. Okay. So this is the functionality. Got the point? Now how to create a table?
Create.
Table name.
So see now by using what syntax? Create table. So create table. What's the table name? We can give this for this use case. Tell me anybody. Hathway. We can go Hathway inquiry or something. Okay. Okay. Mute yourself. Just once you make yourself responsible. Okay. See now what happened? Hathway. We can give inquiry something. Inquiry. We should give proper naming. So details underscore T bracket open bracket close. Okay. Let me know what happened. Name is what data type? Name is what? Name is a varchar. Okay. See varchar. Okay. Now what is the same thing? City is what it is also varchar only. Okay. Varchar only. Okay. See name varchar. Okay. Varchar, suppose like 30. Okay, 20. Okay. Next one is that what address. Address tell me smaller value with the address.
String.
We'll have varchar. Okay, same thing. Varchar, we'll see what is string at point of time. And go for tell me 10 varchar. We should go for bigger value. Okay, see bigger value because we'll have like address details with that. Okay. Next one, what is pin code is data, what data type? Tell me pin code is number data type. Okay. So pin code. Okay. So number of 5 or 6 something. Okay, 6. Okay. Next phone is what data type? Phone is what?
Number.
Also number. Okay, so 10. If you're in India, we'll go for phone is a 10 digits. Okay, now 10. Okay, see bracket open, bracket close. Now how to use what is shortcut is Control Enter is the shortcut. Okay, see shortcut. Got the point. Now tell me now how to list of tables. We can go for show tables. Refresh, which is my database. Pathway DB, SC schema, this is my table. Show tables, we'll get list of tables variable. Okay. Tell me one more time, can I give the same table name? It will say object already exists. Only one name should be given for one object in a schema. Okay, so we can give multiple names. Okay, see, multiple names. Okay, now how to see the data? Tell me by using which command? By using select statement. See, as show tables will give list of tables. Now I want to see the data. By using what? By using select star from table name, table name. Now this is the way we can able to make this functionality. Okay, got the point. So see, so your task, today's task is to create Snowflake account. Okay, see, so one more time we'll discuss. Tell me what is Snowflake? It's a cloud-based data warehouse mainly for data storage, data processing, and data analytics. Okay, so what the purpose of it is mainly for OLAP analytical solution. What is our role? Snowflake developer or a data engineer. Okay, so this is the same thing. Next thing is that what so far thing. Now, how can I communicate to Snowflake with the help of SQL? Again, these are divided to DDL, DML, TCL, and DRL and DCL. Okay, so DDL, DML, TCL, DRL, and DCL. So this is one. Next, what we need to remember, tell me now, Snowflake is a SaaS model, software as a service. No need to install any software or any hardware. Just create account and work on it. Now, what happen in real time work on development database? There will be multiple development test as well like prod database. So we'll work mostly in the development instance. And who are your team members? So Snowflake developer, admin guy will be there, architect guy, testing team will be there, then QA team, QA nothing but testing, and BA people, okay, team lead, project manager, like Scrum Master. There's so many things will be there. These are the functions. Now, point you remember, how can I communicate the Snowflake? With the help of SQL. If I want to create anything, compulsory I should have one database, one schema should be there. So without database, without schema, we can't able to do anything. So database and schema is required to functionality. This is the functionality. So database and schema should be available. If I want to create anything, we need to create one database, one schema. We can able to navigate like this. Okay, see, we can navigate the multiple database. Okay, see. So today's task is to create one thing, and one second, I'll try to give. Okay, your task is, I'll try to give the task. But one second, give me. So don't be in a hurry, go slowly. Okay, create the tables. Okay, then work on it. Okay. So see, remember, you need to create like this. Okay, see, now tell me now what I'm trying to say. Okay, see, we need to give proper name because the same tables we should give in the production. So always make sure proper columns and the column data types and the column without any spelling mistake. So coding alignment should be proper and semicolon should be there. Always write in Notepad++ so that we get comfortable. Any mistake, no, you can understand. Same thing now what happened, your task is to create these tables. Okay, so I'll try to give the tables. You need to create these tables. Okay, so these tables you should create. Okay, so this table only create the tables definition as of now. Tomorrow, see, okay, create this table. Okay, so these tables, okay, with proper namings. Tomorrow we'll discuss how to populate data, how to do manipulation, all these things. So see step by step. Okay, so whatever I given a task, if you're able to do now, you can put. Okay, after completion, you can put around 4+ in Snowflake relevant experience. You can put. So got the point. So I'll give the task regularly. You should do and send it to for validation. Okay. Go